Bereshit, in the beginning. Scientists and theologians agree that the universe did not start with the Big Bang, but rather with an explosion of light. This week's Torah portion explains that God created the universe with words. First he said, "Let there be light," and light filled the universe. Afterwards, he separated light and darkness with his words. He created the sun, moon, stars, merely by speaking them into existence. Land, water, plants, and animals were also created by words that came from God's mouth. The crown jewel of creation was man, was the only creature created in God's image. The text tells us, male and female, he created them. Like God, we humans have the power to create whole worlds with our words. We see this when man names all of the animals, but more notably, we see this when man names his wife mother of all life. What a beautiful image this is. However, the serpent seduces the woman with his manipulative words. He twists her words and defames the Almighty as if he were some kind of coward, heaven forbid. The woman and her husband sin and fall from relationship with each other and with their Heavenly Father. Indeed, this is the first time there's a barrier between the Heavenly Father and his earthly children. I'd like to submit a question to you. Could this be the first incident of parental alienation? We see components of parental alienation in this story. It portrays psychological manipulation against the Almighty as a parental figure. This unjustified manipulation alienates the earthly children from the Heavenly Father. The man and woman are consumed with irrational fear of the parental authority and hide from him. For the first time, the Heavenly Father is cut off from his children. He searches the garden for his children, asking a single question, a single word, Echa. This word does not mean where are you. Of course the Heavenly Father knows the physical location of his children. Echa roughly translates how. How did we get to this situation? It's not a question that the Heavenly Father doesn't know the answer to. It's a question that coming out of a deep grief and longing to reunite with his alienated children. Words alienate the man and the woman from their Heavenly Father, and words could have restored their relationship with him. But instead, they alienate themselves even further with their words, both from the Heavenly Father and from each other. Tragedy expands to the next generation, where Cain speaks to his brother and kills him. The text does not tell us what he said to his brother or how he killed him. It only links his speech to the death of his brother. God asks Cain the same question that he asked his parents. How did we get into the situation? The bloods of his brother cry out to God. The word is in plural because Cain not only killed his brother, but all of his descendants and the bloodlines that would have come from his brother. Death, destruction, and alienation has already crept into the first family in human history. Then something unique happens. The Torah portion records Cain's lineage. It's the only lineage in all of scriptures that ends with a woman. Her name is Naamah. Who is Naamah? And why does the Torah portion record Cain's lineage? What does any of this have to do with parental alienation? Perhaps we'll find answers to these questions in next week's Torah portion called Noach.